Guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I decided to show you guys how I do a classic French tip. I've had a lot of questions asking, what's my technique, what brushes do I use, how do I get it so clean. So I just wanted to show you guys what my technique is. It may not work for everybody, but this is just what works for me. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. Okay, so I've already prepped the nail. I already have the color that I wanted to use, and then I have like a palette with the color that I'm using for my French. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna draw a horizontal line, and this line is going to show you where your French is gonna lay, and then the side lines are gonna be how like narrow you want your French. I like my Frenches to be narrow and deep. That's just preference. I've seen everybody does it their way, but this is just how I like it. So yeah, you're just gonna connect those side lines to your horizontal line, and then you're gonna start like basically seeing that French come together. I just like to make these lines so clean and so crisp in the beginning. Like, I don't use a cleanup brush, I don't use that at all. If I do mess up, I just like take an alcohol wipe and wipe it all off. But you're basically just going to connect those lines, and I like to connect it to like that middle area. I don't like to go too far up from my first horizontal line because, like I said, I like my fringes to be like deeper. So you're gonna just connect those up and then just kind of follow those lines and make them as narrow as you want. And then right here, I just like to make this line a little bit thicker because I'm gonna go in and fill in the rest of the French with the polish, the bottle. And so when I make this thicker, it helps me because I'm gonna mess up what I drew. I've done that plenty of times where you're trying to work like not so fast, but you're just trying to get the polish on there and then you mess up your French line. I've done that too many times. So now I just make that line way thicker so that way it's easier for me to put the polish on. And then all I do is cure this, continue working on, and then I always do a second coat. And then so right here, I saw a couple little parts where it just didn't look as narrow as I wanted it to be. It was kind of wide on those like sides right there, so I'm just bringing it in a little bit. And then I like to look at it from all different views, all different sides, so that way I could just make sure that it's like as perfect as I can get it. Like, this is why Frenches take so long, you guys. Like, charge your worth because they take a minute. Like, this is all in real time, and 2 nails took me, I want to say, like 10 minutes to do them. So times that by 8 more nails if you're doing a full set. It takes time. So I still haven't cured it or anything. I'm just going back in with this polish just to fix any parts that I might have messed up with my little brush and just to make it look like super even. Now I'm gonna cure it, and then I'm gonna let you guys just watch this second nail, and then I'll be back for a little sugaring tutorial. so this is the finished one. I wanted to try it out first to make sure I was even gonna like it, because you know, you always have like an idea in your head and then sometimes you do it and it doesn't come out how you want it. So I just tried it first and I ended up liking it. I thought it was super cute, and it's like a French on top of a French. Like, I don't know, it was cute. So basically what I did was like candy cane lines, because it is December and it's, you know, Christmas spirit. So I'm using the same brush that I used for the French. This is currently my favorite brush from Beetles. I will link that down below. You get like, I want to say 5 brushes for $8. It's not bad at all, and these brushes are actually, they're really good. So this is the gold one. It's not the longest one. I was using the longest one for a lot of my nail art and stuff, but I messed it up. And so I switched to this gold one, and I actually like it a lot more. It's like half the length of the super long one. And this one, to me, it just works really, really well. So I'm drawing the candy cane lines, and with candy canes it's like a thin line, a thick line, a thin line, and it's like different little spaces and stuff. So just have fun with it, play with it. But I drew that top line first because that's how I would normally draw my like side Frenches. So I just drew that, and I wanted that one to be the thinner line, and now I'm drawing that thicker line. Don't cure at all, don't cure, just keep on drawing those lines, and then we'll get into the fun part. Okay, so now it's time for sugaring. So yeah, we still have not cured it. We are going to put that glitter on top. This is my favorite glitter right now from Cutie Glitters. It's called Reflection, and she is amazing. Like, she's super sweet. She has tons of different glitters. She has a lot of different things, a lot of different items. So I will have her information linked down below as well. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sprinkle that glitter on top of the uncured gel, and just like tap off the excess, and then just keep on putting that glitter on top. Just make sure you haven't missed any parts because if you do, it's gonna be kind of hard to like redraw it because you're gonna have like glitter everywhere. So just make sure that you don't miss any parts. And now we're gonna cure it. Okay, so now that we have cured, the nail is complete. We just need to dust it off to reveal that final look. Look how pretty it is, you guys. Ugh, I love this glitter. So yeah, that's it. I did leave this part in just to show you guys how I finish my nails. And this is with every nail. This isn't just with sugaring or anything like that. This is every single nail. I go back and I file the tip just to make it look super crisp, because shape is everything, you guys. Shape is everything. So yeah, and it doesn't mess up the nail, it doesn't mess up the polish. If you are using gel, it doesn't mess up anything. It just makes it look that much better. So then I went in and I added a little bit of bling to these middle nails. So I've always wanted to try this, just like a little bit on the like French tip. But yeah, this is the final look. If I helped you today in any way, if you learned anything, please like this video and let me know what you guys want to see next. Bye guys.